an Italian show in China. And now we are here.
Valerio Festi and his Festi group team, hailing from Italy, will bring the audience a creative show during the opening ceremony of the 2024 Shenzhen and Milan Lifestyle Week.
Three months in Italy, studying, thinking, making presentation, studying the music. Each section is its own music, studying the costumes. 42 people working, and that 20 people is from Italy. The group for making the show, technician, light designer, sound, acrobats, dancers, actors, and directors, etc.
10 of March, we stay, all the Italian staff stay here to set up the technical things and to check, to have the rehearsal. The problem is not easy, for instance, to put the crane. The crane is very big.
Tutti gli spingitori qua.
We use that cable for making several images flying, dancers flying, acrobats, images flying in the sky with music, of course. You can see that black little chariot with wheels, and they are little stage. We have dancers and see acrobats on that, and they come here.
Themed around art and nature, the inaugural show weaves narratives connecting nature and fashion, nature and the future of humanity, as well as nature and ecology, centering on cross-cultural communication.
And so we have a show divided in 9 scenes. The theme is art and nature. Why? Because we are here for opening the Fashion Week, as you know. So we think that fashion take inspiration for art. And now step by step is very close to art. In our show there is image in the video and some image from the artist about this subject. And there is an acrobat, a dancer. She will go in the water. It's a very interesting moment.
For Maimone, the show's success is a result of collaborative endeavors from both the Italian and Chinese teams.
And in this case we have because the Chinese girl that work with us, wonderful people, really wonderful people. The sound, the light and the video operators, wonderful operators. So it's a surprise for me.
Guanlan Printmaking Village, one of the 10 ancient Hakka-style villages in Shenzhen, serving as a wellspring of inspiration for Festi and his team.
Very fine, because it's very quiet. People coming and go to see, to stay in the green. There is people there. For me, this place is like a paradise. Nighttime, I sleep here, in the house inside. At nighttime, silence. It's absolutely silent. It's fantastic. So we choose this space because I think that the image is absolutely China. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. They are dancers. Red Valentino. This is made by the Madame Wheat for the show. This is Chinese.
Buonasera a tutti, oggi ci incontriamo tra italiani e cinesi, tutti gli italiani che sono venuti dall'altro lato del mondo.
越万里的时尚牵手。
Shenzhen。
4、3、2、1，灯光。
That a relation with the Western and Eastern culture is very important in this historical moment. We are very far, like kilometers, but we are not very far with mentality. We are very close. So fashion can give an help for the civilization.
The collaborative fashion feast commenced at Guanlan Printmaking Village on March 19th and will last until March 22nd. Throughout its run, a diverse array of events will unfold in Nanshan, Futian, and Longhua districts.
The performances were just beautiful, really unexpected. The dancers just came out of nowhere in the sky. Really beautiful, great to see so many different performing acts. I thought it was wonderful.